Hello everyone, so I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video we'll see the analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'll discuss about the Finnifty as well as tomorrow's the expiry for the Finnifty, and I'll discuss two stocks as well which you can keep in your radar and see if I'll provide a stop loss as well as target for those stocks. So let's first start with the analysis for Nifty. So if we see Nifty, so these are the levels which I discussed yesterday. So as you can see, the Nifty was able to take support at this level, and it didn't came to this level today. So this level will still remain valid for us on the downside. So 16155 levels is what we are looking for in Nifty. So we will sell off a Nifty once it closes below this level. So talking about on the upper side, so upper side is like Nifty. Yesterday what levels I have given was this one 300 levels, but Nifty was not able to sustain that levels, and even today if we see, Nifty was not able to sustain 16200 level. It almost closed around this level 16200 level. So this levels will hold for tomorrow if we get a gap up opening or a gap down or open at the same level. So we have to wait for Nifty to sustain at this level, and once it goes above this levels, that is around here 16300 levels and above, then we can create a long position in Nifty. So today as we can see that Nifty was quite weak compared to Bank Nifty, because I think the main reason was the IT sector were not performing well. So that was one of the reasons, but the banks actually performed very well today and we got a good up move in Bank Nifty. So I would consider Bank Nifty performed really well today compared to Nifty. So these are the levels for Nifty. Now let's see the levels for Bank Nifty. So if I talk about the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, as you can see here, still I would say that levels which I discussed yesterday remains valid. So on the upper side, Bank Nifty actually was able to cross 35,500 levels. So this was the levels which Bank Nifty was able to hold for some time today, and after during closing we got it around like 35 460 levels we got the closing. So for tomorrow what we can expect, so for tomorrow, so this is the zone which I have marked. So this is 35,600 zone which I have marked. So if tomorrow we get a gap up opening and Bank Nifty is able to cross or close above this zone, so we can create a long position, intraday long position in Bank Nifty. Similarly, on the downside, now for me 35,200 will act as a strong immediate support for Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty is not able to hold this level 35,200 in the intraday, so I can go and create intraday short position below this levels. So this is the level for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as you can see, have performed really quite well, and we are seeing a quite up move in Bank Nifty from last week. So let's see if it able to sustain that up move above this 35,200 500 levels. But again, before creating any long position, I will wait for 35,600 levels to cross, and then only I can go for a long position in Bank Nifty. Now let's see the for the Finnifty, that is tomorrow is the expiry for the Finnifty. So let's see what are my views for Finnifty. So Finnifty, as you can see, Nifty, Bank Nifty, all are performing really well. In Finnifty as well, we can see we got a good up move in Finnifty. So for me, for tomorrow's expiry, 16400 will hold a strong resistance, and we can, like, as an option seller, if I would say, so 16300, because as I mentioned that Finnifty has a very liquidity issue, so it's better that you play with a small position size. So but 16300 will hold as a support for me, but if you want to play really safe, you can go to 16200 levels and for the option selling. But if Nifty is able to cross this level 16400 levels tomorrow, so then we can create some long position as well in Finnifty. So these are the levels for Finnifty. Now let's look at two of the stocks which I'm going to discuss. So my first stock is ICICI Bank. So as you can see, the ICICI Bank is really performing well from last few weeks, and it is also one of the factors that the bank Nifty is also performing well. So as ICICI Bank has already been able to cross its 200 DMA moving average, and it is holding a strong support there. So as I can say, you can keep this stock on your radar. And for on a short term basis, I could see like with around a stop loss of 735, we can see this stock crossing 800 levels, 800 and above levels. So this is because it's able to actually close above its previous day swing high. And so this is the levels which I am thinking, which I could see for ICICI Bank. So this stock you can keep in your radar for tomorrow, and as well as because this is for the short term what I am giving. Other stock which I want to discuss is this one, the power grid stock. So this is also has given a good breakout. So what I can expect, like above this level, so above around this 218 levels, you can take this stock, and with a movement. So by taking a stop like from this zone, you can see 210 to 205 to 210 zone. From here it has given a very good up move. So here at somewhere around this level 218, you can consider a buy, and I could see the stock moving up to 230 to 240 levels, and you can keep a stop loss, a small stop loss of 210 here. So this one will be the kind of stop loss here, 210 levels. So this is other stock which you can keep in your radar for tomorrow. So this is all I wanted to discuss with you all. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.